coming from. Understand where I'm coming from. Yeah.
We've got a Ford Ranger. We've got an entire Ranger bed full of parts. We've also got the homies. And we got some bitchin' duct tape. All right, so here's kind of the gist, right? Nick has got an ass load of parts for the Danger Ranger, which, I mean, I know it's a stereotypical name, so we could call it like the Wrangle Ranger or whatever you want to call it.
Power Ranger, motherfucker.
Power Ranger, because he's a nerd. See him? Look at him. He's a big old nerd. Whole lot of nerd shit.
The best Ranger.
You know, a whole lot of nerd shit, not gang shit. All right, so anyways, here's what we got going on. We're going to lower the Ranger. We got a flip kit. It's a DJM kit. We got some lowering springs for it. We're also going to get rid of these hella flush general grabbers. And in the meantime, we're going to try to do a little bit of renovation and innovation here. Now, most people that have this generation of Ranger go for the pre-runner look, but we're going to party like it's 1999, and we're going to slam this, but well, it's not going to be slammed. It's like, what is it, like 2-inch drop, 3-inch drop?
2 inch in the front, 3 inch in the rear.
Ah, dude, we're going static, dude. What was it about your reverse light and why it didn't work?
I found out they don't have bulbs.
Killer. Ooh. Nick, what's that?
These are my new wheels.
What's that? Ooh. Wrap for protection. Oh, this is some fresh ass dummy.
No, what it do its thing, man. Did I actually get all the tape off of it?
I like how Lamar is like better at little details than any of us. Because you've got the nicest car.
You got the nicest car out of all.
I can rub it in.
So.
Rub it in. I got the new model car. Everybody else has got the old garbage.
So to open the hood on this truck, you can't go from the inside. You gotta reach into the grill, grab the cable.
Yeah, baby. Premium. Living in 2035, son. Look at that.
I basically
Dude,
got
wow.
a pre-70s hood in a
how
99.
That compressor, that is gorgeous.
Oh yeah, brand new.
What's it like to have air conditioning? A lowly peasant will never know. Situation report. We have now got an open tailgate that probably should never be closed again. Also, Lamar's goo remover is like doing the thing. Hey Nick, what kind of wood is this thing made out of?
I'm guessing 2x4s because they're using wood screws to hold the taillights in.
Right on. Dude, I like how the lights, bro. I like how the light is like round with that shit square too, dude. Yo, you should see it, bro. Come look, dude. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Because we always choose the most random time of night to start any kind of project that we do. It's day 2.
Woo!
Do you even live, bro?
Feels and sex appeal, baby. Look here, we're starting back on this bad mama jamma. Gonna drop this whore to the ground.
You should see the camber on this thing you got now going.
Yeah.
It's bad.
So check this out. So this shit. Yep. Yes, sir. I reckon that brake line's alright. Looks like it's got some good slack to it, good old-fashioned elasticity. So we're just gonna replace this upper control arm. Okay, so as you can see, this is the new control arm. We're removing it because it ain't right. Thanks, Ricardo.
Too fat.
Yeah, that's entirely too oversized. Where's the new one at anyway?
Right there on the side.
Bam! That's right.
It's not a ratcheting 15, is it?
No. What's up with this? Oh, wait a minute. We're outside. We're not in the shop. That means, Nick, what does that mean?
Means we're done.
Bam! That means it's got a Ranger. Man, look at them W's. That motherfucking low. Hey! Actually, it's not. It's super low, but it looks better. It looks better.
6-foot gap between the tire and the finger now.
Look at it. Oh, man.
It's actually not that far off.
I don't hate it, man. I think it actually, I mean, it turned out well. I mean, couple that with the fact that it doesn't have a balance now in the front, you know, lower air dam. We haven't put the grill in it yet, but I mean, as far as like all things considered, deserves some respect on its name. So on the initial drive, we found out something about the Danger Ranger, or the Wrangler, Power Ranger. Check that out.
2.5 liter, by the way.
Both of them. Spun both of them. So Nick, what do you think of the ride thus far on my lovely road?
It's rough, especially with the new rubber bands on this thing.
Look at that, look at that. It's like you're practically rock crawling.
Oh my God.
Yeah, imagine the first drive on the turbo stang when I forgot that it was low when I came down through here.
You scraped like hardcore, didn't you?
I thought that I tore the charge pipe.
Yeah, I can see that. I thought you tore a hole in the charge pipe last night.
Yep, and that's exactly why we're headed to my parents' house to pick up my stock springs. But so far, so good.
Plus that has AC, so that's a bonus.
Yeah, AC's nice. Well, we're back at it again, ladies and gentlemen. It's a sad day for me. Some of you may know I ended up putting the turbocharger on the black car on the old 3 valve, and I ran into some complications. It's a little dirty right now, but my problem arises with ground clearance, and the bad part about the day is it'll be the last night of me living the low life in the old 3 valve, at least for a while. It's been a good run though. It's been a good run. The springs have settled over 2 inches over the years, so I mean, it's been a really nice drop. It's been really pretty responsive. Now since then though, I've deleted the sway bars and everything, so going back to stock height will probably set me up a little bit better on the lower control bars, upper control bars, pinion angle and shit. So all right, well, back to stock we go for now. Well,
What?
one down. Well, we did it. What do we have now, Nick?
I don't know, I'd say good 4 to 5 inches of clearance underneath.
Dude, how do you measure?
That's at least a finger's worth.
God damn it. Yeah, actually, the car's level. I don't know.
You should be happy.